Imagine bringing a static object to life, making it walk, talk, and express emotions frame by painstaking frame. It sounds like magic, but for claymation artists, it is a blend of science and art, starting with the very heart of their characters. Clay figures for claymation are meticulously constructed around an internal skeleton, known as an armature, which provides stability and allows for precise, repeatable movements while preventing the clay from deforming unintentionally. The armature is absolutely crucial because regular clay would simply collapse under its own weight or deform with repeated handling during animation. This internal framework, often made of wire, ball and socket joints, or even metal rods, acts like the character's bones and joints. It must be flexible enough to allow for subtle posing, yet rigid enough to hold its position exactly where the animator places it, shot after shot. Without a strong armature, the animator would be battling gravity and material fatigue, leading to wobbly, inconsistent movements or a character that cannot stand up. Building a figure begins with designing the character and then fabricating a robust armature. This often involves bending sturdy aluminum wire for basic limbs, sometimes reinforced with epoxy or solder. More complex characters might use custom machine ball and socket joints, allowing for a wider range of motion and durability. Once the armature is complete, a thin layer of soft, oil-based modeling clay, often referred to as plasticine, is carefully applied. This special clay never fully dries out, ensuring it remains pliable throughout the animation process. A key element is selecting the right type of clay, like plasticine, which has a specific balance of pliability and firmness to prevent sagging while holding its shape. Animators also consider the scale, building characters typically between 6 inches and 2 feet tall for manageability and detail. Sometimes, a rigid foam core might be used in larger body sections to reduce the weight of the clay, making the figure lighter and easier to manipulate without deforming. Understanding the blend of structural engineering and artistic sculpting behind each character reveals the incredible patience and skill required for claymation. It is this foundational build, especially the hidden armature, that empowers animators to tell captivating stories, bringing their unique clay creations to vibrant, unforgettable life.